everybody, Mason here. Today is actually somewhat of an exciting day because I got a package, which is always exciting. Anyway, I have been following a smaller skincare brand for on my original Instagram account probably a year, and then my new Instagram account at Mason Lynn, I think for about a month. But they are called Dola Skincare, and they are basically a natural skincare company, and I've been dying to try them for probably as long as I've seen them online. Personally, I like to mix natural skincare with other skincare products because, I don't know, it just seems to suit me best when I need something more natural or I need something that's more, lab-based. It really all depends for me. So I like to kind of have like a good spectrum of different kinds of products. Plus, I also like to have a good background of knowledge for when people ask me, hey, what can I use for this? And I say, hey, you can use that. I'm not a professional, by the way. I just know a decent amount. I digress. Anyway, my package arrived today and I am so thrilled. That's actually not part of my package. It came in this cute branded box, and Dola Skincare's logo is so pretty and so minimal. Has a little face and it says Dola on there. It's a cute little box. It says Simply Beautiful Skincare, has roses on each side. I love it. So I decided to get a bundle of products that would work good for me. But before we go on, a nice thing that she included was kind of like this little mini menu of the different products she makes and things that are ingredients that are featured in such products, which I think is actually very clever, so thank you. And another thing that caught my eye as a crystal collector, I love crystals. I love looking at them, seeing different parts of them, and I don't know, they just make me smile. She sent 2 little crystals along, and one is rainbow fluorite and one is rose quartz, and I didn't even have to look at them, I just knew that. But everything came in one piece, thank goodness, because I've had products not come in one piece before. So kudos to the mail system and kudos to Dola for doing such a great job. The first thing I got is Dola's Willow Bark and Jasmine Cream Cleanser. Now I did wash my face today. Oh, that's my brain. I'm gonna go wash my face with this once I talk about every little product, and then we're gonna kind of do a regimen together so I can kind of see how everything feels. I haven't tested anything yet, so I'm really excited to do this on camera. Following that, I got the Simple Face Lotion in a cute little jar. I also got the face toner, which I did smell, and it smells really good. I got an eye cream because I do not have far enough eye creams, and I'm serious, I actually don't have enough. And I did smell this too, and it's a cute little frosted glass container, and then there's the product, and I was like, ooh. Yeah, it does. It's all the stuff I did smell, which was like 2 or 3 out of these things, was very light smelling. And for some people that actually is a plus. I mean, I don't care. My skin can be sensitive, but it's 95% of the time not sensitive. Anyway, the last product I got was the body lotion, and I'm excited to use that as well. So let's head over to the bathroom. I'll time lapse this a little bit of me washing my face, and then we'll come back in and we'll talk about the other products and try them on. Trying to be cool, Mason, and you aren't cool at all. Alright everyone, I am back and I am a little shook. I mean, I knew these were going to be great from a gut instinct and from reading about them, but my oh my, so far, so good. This cleanser with the willow bark and jasmine, it really moisturized my skin without leaving it feeling greasy. And it thoroughly cleansed everything because I didn't really wash my face that well this morning. And the moisturizer I used was very thin, but like when I don't put on enough skin products, sometimes I get even more oily. Anyway, I'm just so excited. But now let's move along to another step. Sorry, I'm so like, I love when I can try new products and they really impress me, and especially if they're handmade, that really just puts things over the top. So, all right, next I'm gonna try the facial toner. And I did smell this, and I believe, yes, I got the oily acne prone skin because I'm between dry and oily, like quite literally, to the point where like I do get dry patches and I do get very oily at the same time. But when I'm not taking care of my skin, I should say. So you spray on a clean face for best results. Let dry before applying face lotion. It includes rose water, witch hazel, neroli, which is also called orange blossom, for those of you who don't know these names, lemon oil, geranium oil, lavender oil, and tea tree oil. And those are all great essential oils. I've done a lot of essential oil studies for myself, and I was making my own beauty products for a while, but I'm currently on hiatus from that. So let's get it spraying. Literally, that felt so good, and it smells so good that I will wear it as a perfume. So Dola, if you ever start making perfumes, you know where the idea came from. Just gonna put the cap back on, and ooh, that is like the perfect amount of like mist. Like some mists I've tried that are like facial toners are like either too heavy or there's nothing there at all. But this is like kind of like right in the middle. And it's like, again, I'm just shook. So, by the way, this is not paid at all. I paid my own money for this. I'm just literally that excited over these. And I'll make sure to link Dola's website down below. So if you're interested in trying these products, you can just click away and go browse the website. Next up is the face lotion. The face lotion includes white tea, rose water, grapeseed oil, mango butter, which is very good for your skin, vegetable emulsifying wax, rose hip seed oil, which is also very good for your skin, sunflower oil, hemp seed oil, and two things that are called lucidol SF, and my glasses aren't on, I can barely read, AMT aside coconut, and I'm pretty fairly certain those are natural. Not that it's a big concern to me, but just wanted to point that out there. Oh, and I love, this is so good that she put this. As with all handmade and natural products, variations in color and texture may occur, which is so true. I love these things. I love when products come with these little pull tab tops, and then like you can like scoop the rest of the product in there. It's such a satisfying feeling. Okay, this is what the moisturizer looks like. And it's very light, I'm gonna say that, which is not necessarily a bad thing like I've been saying. So I'm just dipping out a little bit. I'm gonna start down here. Ooh, and I'm gonna kind of work my way up. Ooh, I like this too. I had a feeling. See, I try not to buy things I know I'm not gonna like, because number one, I have very picky parents about like extra things that aren't necessary, and number two, I'm getting better at learning that I don't necessarily need everything that I know I'm not gonna like. I mean, I go out on a whim sometimes, and I say, oh, okay, I'll buy this to try just for the sugar honey iced tea and giggles, and it works out, but there's the rare occasion it doesn't work out. And then I'm stuck, and it's usually something that I really wanted to work, and it just isn't working for me. So it usually either goes to friends, my mom, or my grandmother. Needless to say, this face lotion, cream, moisturizer, whatever, I usually just call everything a moisturizer. I don't even have words. I'm very impressed with all of this stuff. And it is very, very silky. And I can feel like the more I touch it over like a period of time, it's not just staying on the surface of my skin. It is definitely absorbing, which is very good. Ugh, I'm getting tired of my stool because it's hurting my right leg. Anyway, 2 more products to try, and I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna try the eye cream next. Am I still in frame? I hope I am. I can't remember if there was 1 variation for the eye cream or 2. Okay, there's 1. So the eye cream, you obviously use your ring finger to lightly dab on and under your eyes, and then you use an upward motion because that's how you prevent wrinkles. This has mulberry infused distilled water, vegetable glycerin, which is actually very good, aloe vera gel, white tea extract, coffee bean oil, mango butter, shea butter, those are great. Rose hip again is very good. Carrot seed is also good. These are very good. She has a very good formulation. Buckthorn fruit oil, helichrysum oil, geranium, lavender, vegetable emulsifying wax, that lucidal SF, and the AMT side, whatever, coconut stuff again. Gonna pop open the cute little packaging. And I'm gonna dip in. It's a little more firm, and that's really cool. I like that. Dip in with both of my thingies, and then kind of meld it together. Ooh, it's very lubricated. I think I have some almost right in my eye. Okay. Oh, I could give myself an eye massage with this stuff. Ooh, it feels good and it smells good. I love it. Oh, I could just sit here all day doing this. Okay, I gotta stop. Okay, so the eye cream is fantastic. I really can't wait to keep using these products in my regimens. So we have 1 more product to try, and wherever it went, here it is. Okay, this is the body lotion that I showed earlier, and this is white tea, rose water, aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, sweet almond oil, I use that a lot when I make stuff, and grapeseed, mango butter, vegetable emulsifying wax, geranium oil, lavender oil, arrowroot powder, which is also good. And then those 2 products that I have a hard time trying to say. I'm gonna guess that they are preservatives to some extent. Okay, I'm gonna try this body cream on my hands and my lower arms. So there's that. Ooh. And it does smell good. I really like this one. I love like herbal smelling things. I mean, I love like so many different smells, but sometimes like a good herbal smelling thing just really just puts you in a comfort zone. Also very good, if you can tell, probably not, but it feels very luxurious for a natural product. So 2 thumbs up for that. All right, Dola, I'm gonna send you the link to this video then, because I'm just so thrilled with everything that I bought from you guys, and I cannot wait to see what you come out with in the future. So, applause! All right, you guys, I really gotta get off this chair. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And if you feel up to it, like this video and leave a comment. Tell me about your favorite natural skincare products I could try. And lastly, if you feel so inclined to try out Dola, from what I've done in this video, I totally recommend it. They have different kinds of products for different kinds of skin. So yeah. All right. Thanks guys so much. I love you guys. Bye.